In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Tableau Public without the need to install it on your device. This guide is perfect for those of you who want to use Tableau's powerful analytical tools right from the web. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Tableau's official website. This is where you'll access all the tools and features you need online. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Sign In will take you to the login portal. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. It's a simple process that just requires some basic information and only takes a couple minutes. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to your Tableau homepage. Think of this as your central hub where you can manage all of your visualizations and projects. From here, look for the option that says Personal Space. This is a dedicated area on the Tableau server where all your personal workbooks are stored and can be edited directly in your web browser. The next step is to select the workbook you want to work on. If you already have workbooks saved, they will be visible here in your personal space. Simply browse through them and click on the one you wish to edit. If you're starting fresh, you can upload a new data file and create a workbook right here as well. Once you've opened your chosen workbook, it's time to dive into editing. Click on the Edit button to open the workbook editor in your browser. This is where the magic happens. You'll have access to all of Tableau's powerful visualization tools without needing to download or install any software on your computer. As you make edits, consider experimenting with different visualization types. Tableau offers a range of options, from simple bar charts to complex geographic maps. If you're new to Tableau, don't worry. The user interface is intuitive, and there are plenty of tutorials and resources available online to help you get the most out of your data. Finally, remember to save your work frequently. The changes you make are stored on Tableau's servers, ensuring you can access them from anywhere with an internet connection. When you're satisfied with your visualization, you can share it directly from the Tableau dashboard, letting you collaborate with others seamlessly. So there you have it. A simple way to use Tableau Public without installation. This is a fantastic option for those of you on the go or working in environments where downloading software might not be feasible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy analyzing!